Okay, Threads is a new social media launched by Meta. It's still in its early days yet, as at the time I was making this video, but already gaining massive sign-ups. What it means is that a lot of people are jumping onto this platform. So in this video, I'm going to take you through how to gain your first 1,000 followers and more within hours in this early stage of this app. And also, these procedures is not only relevant within the early stages. What it means is that if you should apply these procedures, you should be able to get more than 1,000 followers within hours. And also, I'll be taking you through the best ways on how to use this app for your business or your brand. I'll also be leaving you a bonus tip that will make a huge difference, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. Let's jump straight into the video. Threads looks and feel more or less like Twitter, but the big difference here is that it's an extension of Instagram. So starting with it being an extension of Instagram, what it means is that not everyone is going to start with 0 followers. Once you download Threads and log in with your Instagram, the same existing followers you have on Instagram will be moved onto your Thread account. Basically, you should have a built-in existing followers already. But for the purpose of this video, let's assume you are starting from 0 followers. So what you should first of all put at the back of your mind is consistency. Thread is still a new social media platform, and a lot of people are signing up. What it means is that there's a huge demand for content. So if you're a small account, this is the best time to post frequently and engage other accounts. So unlike Twitter, where you are restricted not to post more than 5 to 7 times a day, this is different. With Threads, you can post a lot in a day, and that's just one of the ways to gain massive followers. So whilst new people are joining, they get to see your posts and start interacting with it. Some of these new people still don't know how things are done on this app, so they would like to follow some of the active and vibrant accounts to pick up 1 or 2 things to start their journey on the app. Another thing you should put at the back of your mind is engage in accounts or businesses that are in your niche. What it means is that you have to deliberately look for accounts or businesses that are doing the same thing that you do. Follow these accounts and start conversation or start interacting with these accounts. So once you start doing that, the algorithm will start promoting your content to other people that are in your niche or other people that will be interested in your content. So the next thing you should put at the back of your mind is post high value content. Make sure that whatever you are posting is engaging, hence making people interact with your posts. This is a short content platform where you will not see people write long essays or speeches. So make sure that whatever you are writing is very short and precise. It should be something that is worth stopping the other person who is just scrolling through his news feed on the app to take a look at your post. Basically, just make sure that whatever time someone is putting in to look at your content is providing the person some sort of value. Another thing you should also put at the back of your mind is use your existing handles. So we all have other social media platforms we belong to, like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, just to mention a few. So what you should also be doing is post your Thread handle on those platforms and tell your audience there to follow you up on Threads. So basically, just post your Thread handle anywhere you can. This will attract new people that are not yet on the app to come onto the app and will eventually might follow you. Another thing you should put at the back of your mind is post visual content. So far, a lot of the posts I see that get interactions are videos, pictures, memes, funny stuff, and all those things. So if you're a content creator on TikTok or YouTube, just make a short video of your content, post it out there, and then leave a link to it so that people can click on the link to get access to the full video. And to the bonus tip, since this app is still new, a lot of the people that are joining or signing up to this platform needs followers. Fortunately, there are some people that have already gained massive followers. All you need to do is to find those people that are already having massive followers. Follow them, and anytime they post, go under their comments. You are going to find a lot of small accounts that are also looking for followers. Follow these accounts and alert them to follow you back, and they will definitely follow you back. And for those who intend to use this app for their business or brands, just as I mentioned among the rules, engage in businesses or brands that are in your niche. Try as much as possible to start engaging with people that are in your niche, and eventually a lot more people will discover your business or your brand. This is a conversation-driven platform, so you'd have to try as much as possible to get a lot of people engaging or interacting with your posts. In all, just try as much as possible to get accounts or people that are in your niche early enough. Anyway guys, I'm so excited about this. I'm looking forward to what the future looks like for Threads. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you'll be notified. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. That's your way of encouraging me to keep making videos of this kind. See you in the next video.